Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm just going to be doing a grocery haul. I did not get to go grocery shopping this weekend, so it's kind of a big haul. This is like a week and a half of not going grocery shopping at all. So don't mind this I got going on right here because, yeah, it's been a very eventful day. As you guys know, my car was pretty much almost totaled on December 4th, so I've been hustling and bustling and trying to get everything ready because I actually have to give my rental car back today and turn that in, get my car back, so hopefully everything's good on my car. I'm finally excited to drive my own car. Also, I'm just worn out because I'm really spoiled when it comes to going grocery shopping. Usually Alex goes with me, and it also helps so much because the girls are with us, loading the groceries up, bringing them in. It just helps so much to have him with us. So yeah, I'm spoiled, but today he had to work. We didn't get to go grocery shopping during the weekend because I had to work all weekend. So yeah, I'm just gonna show you guys what I got. It's a pretty big grocery haul. And I did want to mention that I have decided to start Weight Watchers Freestyle, but I'm almost regretting it a little bit because I like to eat mostly what I want, and I know you can do that on Weight Watchers, but I feel like everything that I normally like to eat is like really high in points, obviously, because I eat junk. But I've been really successful on a 1,200 calorie diet, so I don't know which one I want to do. I'm kind of back and forth about it, but I did go ahead and sign up for the Weight Watchers Freestyle, the online version, because they did have like a really good deal going on. So I went ahead and signed up, and I'm just gonna kind of see. I was scanning stuff in Walmart to see how much points were. So in this, you'll see a few things that you're like, well, that's not Weight Watchers Freestyle friendly, but really on Weight Watchers, you can eat whatever you want. It just depends on how many points you want to eat in one sitting. So I am off next week, so I decided to go ahead and get some breakfast stuff because when I'm off work, I like to cook breakfast for the girls. So I went ahead and got this bacon right here, and I got some sausage as well to cook one morning. I got these wraps because Alex and myself, we love to eat like turkey wraps and things like that. I got eggs, of course. Eggs are 0 Weight Watchers points, I believe. And then I am going to be cooking some steak bites this week, so I had to get soy sauce and Worcestershire, if I'm saying it right, sauce. And then I'm going to be doing like a barbecue chicken that calls for some zesty Italian, so I had to pick that up. I also got some of this cream of chicken because I'm going to be making chicken enchilada casserole. And here are the 2 steaks that I got for the steak bites. I'm hoping those turn out really good. I've never made them before. Tater tots for the air fryer because the girls love tater tots. Some little bites for the girls' lunch and just to munch on. And then I had to get some toilet bowl cleaner because we were out. And also I needed just like an all-purpose bathroom cleaner. So I went ahead and grabbed that Lysol one. I have never used it before, so we'll see. And then I got some pizza rolls because we go through these like crazy in my house. Got some sharp cheddar cheese, 2 bags because I feel like I cook this with everything. Bread for the shredded chicken I'm going to be making next week. And these, if you watched my Valentine's Day video, you know that I was looking for these kind of conversation hearts because the ones that they had at Dollar Tree are not my favorite kind, and these taste a lot better. And then I just got some rice, some olive oil, the honey barbecue sauce for the meatballs and the barbecue chicken I'm making, and then some orange juice. We love this orange juice from Walmart. It's not very expensive like most orange juice, and it is regular orange juice, and it's really good. Some whole milk. We do drink this Red Top. Then I did get some Cool Ranch Doritos because I let the girls kind of pick what one they want depending on the week. It was ANNSLEE'S turn, and she's been begging for those. Aubrey picked out Reese Puffs. ANNSLEE picked out Cookie Crisp. I got some macaroni and cheese. This is going to be for my barbecue chicken as well. What is this? Brown sugar. I couldn't remember what the freak it was called. Y'all, I'm ridiculous, I know. I did get some ground beef and some sausage links. ANNSLEE picked out this. Aubrey picked out this. I got some garlic butter. I'm going to be making like some hamburgers this week, and I decided to try that. And bologna because Alex loves fried bologna. Turkey breast for wraps. We got some country gravy mix. Alex loved these little snack sticks, so I always grab those for him. I got some chicken because I need 2 pounds of chicken for one meal and 4 chicken breasts for the other. And then I got this right here. It's kind of like a little treat for me and the girls. I usually don't try to drink it a lot, but Dr. Pepper is my favorite, as y'all know. So I got this just to have a little bit as a treat because it is high in points and it is high in calories. And then I also got some pork rinds because pork rinds have 0 carbs. And then some meatballs for the barbecue meatballs. I got these to make one morning, or 2 mornings obviously. I got these for the meatballs as well. I got some of this Healthy Pop is 3 Weight Watchers points. They're just single packs. And then I got these for the chicken enchilada casserole I'm making, and I needed some garlic salt and some garlic powder. So yeah, I know not the healthiest of stuff, but like I said, I signed up for Weight Watchers Freestyle, but I'm really debating if I just want to do the 1200 calorie diet because I feel like if I stay on Weight Watchers Freestyle, I might end up failing because I'm very, very picky. So I don't want to limit myself to stuff that I would normally eat. I just want to eat less of it, if that makes any sense. So yeah, this is everything I got today. It's not the most healthy grocery haul, but like I said, my kids do not eat the healthiest either. And so that's really what makes it hard for me. They like to eat junk, and that makes me want to eat junk. So I'm gonna try to do a little bit better and just kind of limit my meals instead of changing what I'm actually eating, because like I said before, if I try to cut stuff completely out of my diet, that's when I'm gonna go fail. That's when I'm gonna start binge eating because it's something I haven't had in a while. I'm craving it. So yeah, I don't want that to happen. So yeah, I'm gonna keep you guys updated. I'll let you know which diet I decided to go with, either the Weight Watchers Freestyle or the 1200 calories a day diet. I have already signed up for Weight Watchers Freestyle because of the great deal. So if you're thinking about signing up for it, it's only $13 to sign up right now. So go for it. Follow me on there if you do. My name is Carla Mackenzie. I think it's fun to have friends on there doing it with you. Kind of keeps you motivated, gives you a little bit more accountability. But yeah, follow me on there if you sign up. And if you want to see any more like Weight Watcher Freestyle videos, my friend Danielle from Daniela Diaries, she's actually doing it like full force now, and she has a lot of videos on her channel. So if you're interested in that, go check her out. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe before you leave. Bye.